Time check! Sawadee ka, Tokon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette. A day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning, everyone!
Thank you.
Sawadee ka!
สวัสดีค่ะ
Make up time! Morning, Teacher Ong. Morning, Teacher Maria. And I'm done with my makeup. Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Keep your phones and iPads inside your bags. Only notebooks and pens should be on the table. Listen carefully, focus and pay attention to today's lesson because after I finish discussing our topic, there will be an activity to test your understanding and see if you truly listened and learned something. Okay, today I am going to discuss about 4 types of sentences. What are the 4 types of sentences? All together, read. Daddy, give me the score. Night, Nantawan. 17. Very good. Maima. Pipi. 16. Very good. Tonkla. Very good. Sigram. 13. Again, please. 20. Excellent. Clap your hands to Sigram. Sigram. Sigram? Sigram, Chimay? Sigram. Kingmak na. Pan. 16. Very good. Kan. 14. C. 12. Pay. 15. Very good. Atom. Very good. Bumpy. Bumpy. Maima. Ozone. 17, very good. Plum. Laokแล้ว Asia. H, absent. Josh. 20. Excellent. Clap your hand to Josh. Team. Excellent. Clap your hands to team. Gun. Mayma. Gun. 18. Very good. Paint. 20. Excellent paint. Clap your hands. Focus. Mayma. Ram. 19. Very good. Span. 17. Very good. Aris. 17. Very good. Aim. 16. Very good. Niep noy. Tanda. Mayma. Anchan. Mayma. Nua. 17. Very good. Bill. Mayma. 17. Very good. Cartoon. 20. Excellent. 17. Sipjet Chimay. Fry. Mayma. 9. 14. Baitoy. 17. Ink. 19. Very good. Pie. 17. My mint. Pogan. Đọcแล้ว. Aim. 16. Very good. Cam. 17. Benz. 17. Boy Piatida. Mayma. Chumpo. Absent. Nadia. 17. Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. Give me the score, August. 9. Boom. 8. Atom. 10. Sip. Win. Stamp. Pond. Arm. Arm, Papa Win. Arm. Bangpan. 5. Kigi. Kigi. 16. Very good. Homing. 11. Sipet. Peach. 9. Gas. 4. Punpun. 8. Tutor. Angpao. 18. Very good. Tal. Tal. 7. O. Supasan. Alin na? 17. Sipjet. San. 9. Nampo. 17. New. 2. Namuan. 8. Impa. 17. Nat. 11. Tonhom. Tonhom. 12. Buakel. 11. Saimay. Again, please. 12. Baikaw. 14. Atom. 3. Pang. 10. Palm Siriwan. 3. Cow. 11. Nine. 9. Kauhom. Supicha. 17. Angon. Zia. Ness. 15. Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Are you ready? Give me your score. Achi. 29. 39. Very good, Achi. Bas. Very good. Weir. 40. Excellent, Weir. Clap your hands to Weir. Tawan. 39. Very good, Tawan. Very good. IQ. 35. Very good. Tonkla. 40. Clap your hands to Tonkla. Mawin. 40. Clap your hands to Mawin. Prem. Darn. Very good. Arm. Excellent. Again, please. 34, very good. Mark. Very good. Ah. Can you ask Tonkla? Ask Tonkla if it's okay. New. 30. Chamyang. Very good. Packard. Very good. Bio. 33. Very good. First. Excellent. Clap your hands. Proud. Very good. Nampeg. Very good. Modam. Excellent, Modam. Jenny. Very good. Maple. Very good. Parn. 30. Very good. Nampeng. Excellent. Jib. Excellent. Jib. Song. 36. Very good. Organ. Hey. Next week rather, because next week is we will have our sports day, right? So you will present this one next week. Drama presentation activity. Hello, good day students. For our next week meeting, we will have a bi-group activity. I already divide you into 4 groups. Our activity is called drama presentation activity. In each group, you will perform a drama. Decide on your group what is your drama all about or the content. You can either choose tragedy, melodrama, comedy, farce, musical, love, romantic, or family or school drama. But you can also mix or remix all the drama. Like for example, your group wants to have love, romantic, tragedy, school, or family, etc. You can mix or combine all those drama if you want. Do this in a video clip. It should be in a video clip. In your video, put English sub or English subtitles so that it's easier to understand. Of course, you should speak in English during your drama. Do not speak Thai language in your drama. Send the video next week during our class, and we will watch it together in the TV or the screen projector. Make your own script on your drama. Props and costumes. You can use background music, microphones, Bluetooth speaker, laptop, or iPad during the drama. Bring your own tools and materials and equipment. Have a group discussion or meeting in each other's. You can create your own group chats in your groups using Line or Messenger. The drama should have a minimum of 8 minutes and a maximum of 15 minutes. You can add bloopers behind the scenes or during making the scenes if you want. Okay, note that everyone needs to be on camera in drama activity. Your appearance will serve as your point. Warning, tell me the nicknames of the students that do not help or participate or absent in the video clip. He or she will be scored 0. Okay, that will be the criteria. I will send this one in line. Okay, I will show you an example.
Do you know about the 100 Years building? There's a room with a mysterious thing inside.
That will be for next week. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Dalawa ang t-shirt namin sa sports day. White and blue. Large ang size ko. And Teacher Maria, small. Teacher Jen, small also. VSOT game 2025. Bakit? Bye, Teacher Ming. Bye, Teacher Namtan. Bye, Teacher Maria. Bye, Teacher Jen. Living the happening up.